Severe storms, high winds, and hail pound South Texas. Torrential rains already causing flooding in New Braunfels, where officials are keeping a close eye on the Comal River. Tonight, team coverage from Eyewitness News, tracking where the storm is headed and when we could see even more rain.
Good evening. We begin tonight in New Braunfels, where officials have already shut off access to the Comal River due to that high water.
Eyewitness News reporter James Keith is there. And James, what can you tell us?
Well, guys, first off, the rain has stopped. It's been stopped for the last couple of hours, which is typically good news. But whenever you live in a city where there are two rivers, the concern doesn't stop there. Take a look behind me. This is the Comal River by the tube chute. This is what it's looked like for the last several hours after we saw all of that rain here. There's a lot of debris and a strong flow. The water has been shooting over the bridge there at the tube chute. Now across town over on the Guadalupe River, the water rose fast. First responders were checking on tourists that were nearby, just making sure that they stayed clear from that water as it appeared to be rising. Now on the roads, we've seen some pretty risky drivers, including a school bus driver on the access road of I-35 near Canyon High School. That driver barreling through water that covered the road. Now another young driver in a car flooded out and was stuck at that same spot until a New Braunfels police officer showed up and helped him out. Now we are seeing most of the water on the roads go down. As for the rivers, though, we're going to be watching those over the next couple of days, as will everybody else who is living here, especially those people who operate tubing businesses. Now, if you do plan on coming here to float the river, make sure you call ahead and make sure those access points are open. Now, I toss it over to our colleague, Jeremy Baker, with more on today's coverage.
Yeah, we are out here just to the east of 1604, west of Seguin. This is Highway 10, and you can see cars having no problems there. No water to be found on the roads here. A few hours ago, that wasn't the case. We left town around 2 o'clock or 2:15 on our way to Seguin because there was a tornado warning just to the east of Seguin in the Kingsbury area. On the way, we did hit those storms, but they had dropped just below severe weather limits as we pushed through, but we did come across some pretty heavy downpours. We saw some pretty decent lightning as well. No hail where we were at least, but people driving pretty quickly. And thankfully in Seguin, so far no reports of any tornado touchdown, just a Doppler indicated tornado on the radar. But there was some damage. A big tree fell in the one person's front yard. That's off of FM 464 in between I-10 and Highway 90. So there were some pretty strong damaging winds, but so far just isolated reports of damage like that. Back here, just a little chilly behind those storms that moved through. The rain's moved out and we're starting to dry out a little bit more so. Reporting live on the far east side of the city, Jeremy Baker, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.
All right, Jeremy and James, thank you both. And San Marcos is also dealing with heavy rain and flooding today. Rebecca Trejo reports the severe weather actually forced officials at Texas State to cancel classes.
Texas State University has decided to resume classes starting at 5 o'clock. They were previously closed at 2 o'clock this afternoon. However, here at the San Marcos River, you can see that things have gone down considerably. Not like this morning, where some structures were covered with water, but the university isn't reporting any damage here at the park. The university says Commons Hall, where testing occurs, was flooded in the basement. Students out here tell me it was frustrating getting in and around campus before classes were canceled this afternoon around 2 o'clock. Other students like Miranda Suarez says her dorm room at Butler Hall was flooded and her room had about 1 inch of water inside after waking up due to the storm outside.
Well, I woke up due to the thunder and I freaked out, but it just kept going on and off a little bit. I could hear it getting louder and harder until eventually the lights started flickering and my air conditioning started going on and off. And so I decided to go meet up with my friends on the boys' side of the dorm, and I saw them, and then eventually the power just went out. It did get flooded, and it was pretty creepy because all the lights went out, and it was just the emergency exit lights with all that stuff.
Suarez says the university cleaned up what was left of the water by this afternoon. Things at the campus are back to normal. Not a lot of students out and about, as you can imagine, but things are slowly up and running. At San Marcos, Rebecca Trejo, back to you.
All right, first alert radar is still lighting up south of the city. Bill Taylor is tracking a pair of severe thunderstorms. Bill?
Yeah, down to the south of the city is where we're going to really focus our concerns, Sarah, because the severe weather threat is over for San Antonio. That's the good news. The bad news is the ranch lands are still dealing with some very strong storms. It's near Cotulla as well as Tilden. So that's the pair of severe thunderstorm warnings that are right now in effect. In and around the city and metro, we've seen some of the flash flood advisories expire. That was including New Braunfels, and you can now see that we do have flood advisories south of Gonzales, in between Cuero and Pleasanton, as well as over at Uvalde out to the west of the city. Now, let me focus in on these storms to our south. They are moving south, so they will not affect San Antonio, but you can see the farther they move south, it looks as though they're weakening. We're not seeing any tornadic signature, which is a very good sign. It's just that we saw some decent hail with these storms as well as damaging wind. The rain chances are not leaving the forecast. Coming up, the 7-day outlook plus team weather later in the half hour, Jeff.
All right. Thank you, Bill. Well, eyewitness viewers have been sending us some of the best weather video. So we want to know what's going on in your area. So keep sending us the pictures using that hashtag KENS5Eyewitness, or you can send them to eyewitness@kens5.com.